If you want a new domain, then this website will be perfect for you. So what you need to do, just you need to search for a domain. Okay, like here is the two options. Let me show you. First is find a new domain, and second generate domain using AI. You can generate domain using AI also. Just you need to say that you need a domain for what. Okay, like I want a domain related to I want a domain related to Bollywood news. Like this, I have written something and I will click on generate. You can write by your own, okay, and it will suggest you some perfect domain that you can buy. Okay, like you can see, it has suggested some domain, and the price of domain is actually less. Okay, if you want, you can choose any domain from this, and if you want to find domain by yourself, just write here anything like I want one domain or related to joke website. Okay, so I will write joke latest. Okay, and I will search for it. So you can see it is suggesting me some joke latest domain. Okay, and here are some domain which is only of rupees 79 per year. If you want, you can go with this. If you want, you can go with this also, as .online domain is also becoming popular nowadays. There are other domain also like .xyz, .cloud, .site. If you want, you can go with this site. Okay, if you want, you can go with this .blog also. That's some domain. Okay, and if you want a link of this hostinger, I will provide you the link in description box, so you can check yourself also, and you can buy a domain. One of the best website if you want to have a domain. Okay, there are many, so here I am suggesting a hostinger. If you want, you can use hostinger, and please subscribe my channel, and link is in description box.